Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Logseq. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace designed for notes, tasks, and project management, offering a highly structured approach to information. Logseq, on the other hand, functions as an outliner and knowledge base, emphasizing linked thoughts and daily journaling. The fundamental difference lies in how each tool helps you organize and connect your information, catering to distinct workflow preferences and needs. Notion truly shines with its powerful database system, allowing for incredible customization and structured data management. It's an excellent choice for project management, team collaboration, and building comprehensive wikis. You can create intricate dashboards, integrate various content types, and leverage hundreds of templates to tailor your workspace precisely to your requirements, making it a robust solution for diverse organizational needs. Logseq offers a unique block-based approach, utilizing bidirectional linking to create a highly interconnected web of notes. It excels in daily journaling and provides a Roam-like experience for organic knowledge discovery. The intuitive graph view helps visualize the relationships between your ideas and concepts, fostering deeper understanding and allowing you to effortlessly navigate thousands of interconnected thoughts within your personal knowledge base. When deciding between these two powerful tools, consider your primary workflow. Choose Notion if you need structured data, robust project management, and seamless team collaboration across various projects. Opt for Logseq if your priority is interconnected thoughts, daily note-taking, and a dynamic knowledge discovery process. Both are fantastic, but they serve different organizational philosophies, so pick the one that best aligns with your personal or team's needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.